Alright guys, hello. Today I'm using Bandicam. I just want to get a feel for it, see what it's like. But most importantly, we're going to teach you how to move your songs from albums from your desktop or wherever into your iTunes. That way you can put it on your phone or do whatever you want. So first up, we're going to have to get a song. However you get your song, maybe it's from wherever they sell them on, like Amazon, I think maybe. I don't really know, but if you have some other site that you buy your songs from, not iTunes, and you want to put it over into iTunes and recognize it from there, that's fine. What you're going to do is find a song. I'm using some free songs that I can get off of Odd Future, and some of you may not know Odd Future, but I happen to like them, so we're going with this. Plus, they're free. I'm going to show you how to download some songs here. I may put this link in the description. Maybe you want to download them as well. But we'll go with this one, Domo Genesis No Idols. Now what you're going to want to do here, just click download. Make sure you have WinRAR as well. I use WinRAR to do this, but you don't need to use WinRAR to transfer it to iTunes if you already have the songs. But for this download here, you need WinRAR. So I'll be back when this is done downloading. Alright, I'm done here. The download is done, as you can see down here. What you're going to do, open up the download file. Bam. You don't have to save any of the WinRAR file to your desktop just yet. Just open this up. I'm guessing this is if you have a Mac, but I don't have a Mac, so I'm not using that. I'm taking this folder here. This folder has all your songs. Literally just pick this up and drag it to your desktop. Let that load. Bam. You can literally close this now. Alright guys, now that you have your music folder or the folder with your songs or wherever you have them, they're all in there. This is a whole album right here. I'm just going to conveniently put this into a music file into here. You don't have to do this part, but this is where I want to store my music, so I'm putting it into here. Once it's in there, open up iTunes and pull this back up, right? Now you're literally just going to take this folder with your songs in it and drop it over here in iTunes. Then bam. You don't delete this, because then iTunes won't have a place to find it. It's not, I don't think iTunes saves it onto, well, iTunes, so you need the files still. So don't get rid of those, so have them somewhere conveniently in your music files, music folder, and that's more convenient, right? Right. So now you have your songs in here. Bam. All the songs you can now play. So that's just a quick example of how to get your iTunes music or music from other places onto your iTunes. You can now put this on any any iDevices from Apple that you want. You can just plug them in, synchronize it, and bam, you're welcome. Good day.